Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and I'm just here to show you a few swings of mine, which is probably running around for some time. So basically, I have nothing on my FNO because I didn't feel that it's quite worth the risk, given that we're at all-time highs and VIX is kind of low, and I did not find any, setups for the same because I don't have a resistance for it, given the kind of trader I am. So just took you to the swings. Just ignore everything up until Bosch because as you can see that all this current values. If I take you out until Bosch, you would find that, sorry, just give me a second. Yeah, you would find that all of these are basically invested stocks. Like whatever the profits I'm making on monthly basis, I thought about reinvesting them into this particular account. And then based upon that, I would be like, pledging them again so that even the stocks run up and also probably I'll be getting dividends. And eventually, if these stocks go into a good quantity, we'll pledge them and trade on that margin. So anything below Bosch, you could see that we are around close to 14,000 rupees profits in here with the swings running on. And yeah, so we'll just take you through the analysis of all these stocks all together, and you would understand, okay, what's my risk to reward ratio and what is my targets for the same. So for nothing apart from Bosch, which is into like barely negative, which is, you could say that it's just on flat, and Reliance and Crisil is on negative. Yeah, Reliance also you could say that it's basically flat, and the one which is giving me trouble is Crisil, right? Rest apart from that, HDFC, Bajaj, Amber, and ECLERX is doing pretty good. So let me take into you that particular analysis and make you understand. Going by Reliance, the first stock, you could pretty much see that post to this breakout is when I bought it, but it came down a little bit. My stop loss was right below this particular trend line, but it did not break as of now. So hoping for the best. Let's see how it goes. All of these are in weekly time frame, so yeah, the swings would be quite long, like for probably be a month or two. And yeah, my target would be close to around 8% in here, or 1 is to 2.5, you could say. Yeah, this is what my target would be, 1 is to 2 or zero point 0.5 or 1 is to 3. You could just replicate this particular pattern in yours and you would understand. And this is the risk to reward ratio, 3% risk and 7% target. Coming back to the next stock, which we have is Bosch. Bosch is again on flat because I had taken it on this particular day, I believe, and it's back up to this particular place. My stop loss would not be more than 4% in here, and target I try to keep it at least to 1 is to 2, so 8% target is what I'm aiming at. Then we have ACLERX. In here, I had basically entered at this particular price. My stop loss would be this yellow line in here, which is at 5%, close to around 5%, and my targets for it should at least be double of it. I mean, 3 times is what I was aiming, which I have actually achieved but didn't exit. So would probably be exiting it around close to this level when it goes back again, and probably otherwise trail it more further again. It's around 15% and we are probably at around only just 7% gain as of now. So yep, that is it for ECLERX. And the next one we have HDFC Bank, which I'll be exiting pretty soon now because I had entered in here at 1603, and the stop loss was pretty much small. It was not more than 2 to 3% right below this candle, to be honest, because given the kind of candle it is, and we have almost achieved at 3 1 is to 3 as a risk reward. As you can see, it's almost at 6%. Then we have the next stock as Crisil. Crisil, yeah, I entered in here at this particular breakout, expected them to sustain below this, I mean, above this in here. And my stop loss was right below this particular candle. So you could imagine that, yeah, it's around close to 6% in stop loss, and my target would be close to around 12 or 10%. This is probably a bit of a bad trade, I would say, not a good one. It was just a breakout sort of a thing, and I felt that okay, it could probably go up till in here up till 15%, but let's see how it goes. And the next one is Bajaj Consumers. This is a pretty say a good trade and pretty greedy one, I would say, because my initial targets was up till around 30%. Obviously, it's going to be a very long swing, I would say, but yeah, let's see. The stop loss is close to around 7%, right below this previous swing, and the target is 30%. But we might even have to book it close to around this level, which is at 13%. So 1 is to 2. Let's see how it goes. And hopefully, if there's a strong close above this, then yeah, I can aim for 30%, another 15% on top of it. Amber Enterprises, it's going pretty great. I had entered right in here, and we are up by close to around 6%, I believe, in Amber. Yeah, you could see almost 6%, and the stop loss was quite small in here because yeah, it was like barely 6% or something. Initially, my target is at least to take 20% in here, I believe, or 17, 18%. Again, I just missed it. I'm being a bit greedy in here because kind of the kind of markets which we are having as a bull. I mean, for the time being bull trend. So yeah, let's see how it goes. And probably I might even achieve these things, or I just have to exit with these few of my trades. Then lastly, Alchem Lab. I believe I've not taken this stock. Yeah, I believe that's it for these swings. Yeah, Alchem Lab is not the stock which I have taken in here. So these are everything for the swings, and just in case if you want to have any other views which you are probably like interested to follow or just want to have a good chit chat, the links would be right in the description. You could probably join in the group of Instagram or probably text me there just if, in case if you want to connect, and let me know what you guys feel in the comment section below. And until then, take care, stay safe, and happy trading. Bye bye.